All right, now we're gonna focus on your hands and heads. 2 warm hats is what we're asking that you bring. 1 to wear and 1 for your Fiddlesticks bag. We ask you to bring a neck gaiter, a nice fleece neck gaiter. It's great. I have one that's connected to a buff or your standard buff that you can buy at any kind of outdoor gear store. Both of them work well. A nice warm one is encouraged. A second buff is really helpful to have for your extreme colds out there. Then the liner gloves. They come in all different thicknesses. These usually get ruined out there. As you can see, some of mine have holes in them through the use. Will be in mittens most of the time, and then you pull this out, pull out your hand covered in your liner gloves so you don't get any frostbite. But they do get holes in them, so don't get too attached. Some various thickness wool ones. These can get at Army surplus stores. I do like to have a thinner one that can go inside a thicker one, and I still have good hand movement, so if you're checking them out at all your stores, that's something to look for. And then any kind of other brand that you might have, they work well. You can go expensive with some of these, ranging $20 to $30 for a pair of liner gloves that will likely get ruined, or you can find some nice Fox River ones, or some on discount, some wool ones for pretty cheap, $5 or so. All of them work well.